Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited to show you a short tutorial on how to glam up your sprinkles. So I'm going to start off by mixing all the different size sprinkles. I have 4 different sizes and I'm just adding a little bit of lemon extract and some corn syrup. Okay, so now I'm adding the edible disco dust. It's extra fine, non-toxic, and my favorite is from Glam Treats. Okay, and right here I'm using luster dust from the Sugar Art, and this just helps me get a deeper color. And I'm also learning with you guys, so I made mistakes, and the first thing I noticed is that the corn syrup actually makes the glitter get stuck to the plate. So I think that just with the lemon extract is fine. You don't need the corn syrup. You can use it because it does act like glue, so maybe they stick on easier, but it takes longer to dry. Now it's very important that you dry your sprinkles, so you just set them on a paper towel and let them dry overnight. Don't touch them, and the next day they'll be dry and perfect. And right here I'm doing the same thing, but without the corn syrup. It was just lemon extract and a lot of glitter. And we're doing the same thing here again. So what worked best for me is I added the lemon extract, I mixed it very good, make sure that everything was coated, and then I added my luster dust and my sprinkles. I made sure to add a lot in the beginning and just mix until they're coated. And at first it seems like it's very wet, and it takes a while to dry, but the lemon extract evaporates and it's just the perfect glue. So just keep going, keep mixing until everything is coated. And I do want to mention that I didn't measure anything. I just eyeballed the glitter, the lemon extract, so kind of just see how you feel with it, and just make sure that it's pretty dry before you put it on the paper towel. It's a lot of mixing and a lot of glitter, but it's totally worth it because the combinations are endless. Make sure that you spread it out so it can dry evenly. Okay, now my favorite part, the rock candy. It's pretty much the same thing, except it's just with the gold dust, and I will link everything down below for you guys. So we're gonna start off by coating every rock with the lemon extract. We're just gonna mix until everything is coated, and then we're gonna add our gold dust. And right here I'm just adding a little bit of sanding sugar. And I'm just mixing until everything is kind of dry. And I did end up separating the rocks from the sprinkles because I felt like it was too much. And now it's the next day and we're ready to combine everything together. You guys, the amount of sprinkles that you get is just incredible and totally worth it. Now I'm just adding that beautiful sanding sugar that we dried separately, And at first I was very cautious because I didn't know how it was gonna look, and I just ended up dumping everything in there and mixing it, and it was so beautiful. And now I'm just adding a finer sanding sugar and just mixing everything together. And of course I wanted to show you guys how they would look on some treats. So we're gonna make some cakesicles, and make sure that you're covering the sides very well so they don't break. Now we're adding some perfect cake pop dough into our cakesicle mold, and make sure that you leave a little bit of space on the top for the chocolate that's gonna cover it. And now I'm adding my popsicle sticks, and yes, they're a little bit dirty because I was touching them, but nobody's gonna eat these, so don't worry about that. But now we're gonna cover with some chocolate. And I like to clean the edges out just so when we take out the cakesicle, it's much easier and cleaner. Okay, now my chocolate is set and I'm ready to take them out. When you add your popsicle stick, make sure that it's going in straight, because I always make the mistake of putting it in crooked. And now I'm just adding some swirls and twirls. I don't know what I was doing, but it ended up looking pretty cute. And now I'm just adding those beautiful sprinkles on top. And I just want to say really quickly that I'm so happy to be able to show you guys this video, because I looked for something like this everywhere and I couldn't find anything. So I really hope that it works for you guys and that you guys try it. Let me know if you do and what you would change, so we can help each other out and we can all learn together. Well, that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys like it, and if you guys have any questions or any suggestions, make sure that you comment it down below. Thank you so much for your support.